Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Jessica Emery, the happy CEO. I'm coming to you from my downtown space. It is Sunday and we are down here getting ready to continue the artwork. I already have a bunch of artwork over here. You can see all the things we just brought in. It's kind of a mess, but we are in the midst of putting things up, and we're still under construction for the most part here. But I'm going to get things done today so that I can come back down here this week and feel solid as I'm in creation mode. So my husband's parking the car, and I thought I would hop on here to do the video today with no real impromptu direction, other than the theme of the day seems to be, again, back to your environment. This morning, as I was mentioning, we were coming down here to put up more artwork and just infusing the space with things that I love. I also am going to go home today and redo my closets, which is huge, right? They do get a little chaotic, and I have just stacks and stacks and stacks and stacks of things. It's getting really warm here right now in Charleston. So it's that time of year I have to go through my sweaters, my sweatshirts, like pull out all my dresses, pull them forward. And I love color coding. I do that here with my books. I do that in my bookshelves at home, and I do that in my closets. It's just a thing I love to do. So when I get home later, I'm going to be doing my drawers in my closet to get organized. Just, it's like that spring cleaning, but to make my environment feel really, really good. And then the bedroom that is off, my bedroom at home, the porch that is off of it, overlooks the pool that overlooks water, and it's just spectacular. And I never use that space because I pop out of bed in the morning and, you know, shower and go right downstairs. So I very rarely go out and sit on those couches and just look, like listen to the birds, listen to the bubbling water fountains in the pool. And it's such a beautiful place to do meditation. So I'm going to start, when I get home, to create that space as a little sanctuary spot for me. So when I get up, I'm going to go out, sit on the couches to do meditation. I just purchased an incredible app that I'm really excited to dive into the meditations on. I have not been one to do meditation. It's something I said I would kind of dive into this year, you know, here and there, but I really want to make it a habit and a ritual and just start to break those patterns, right? From my morning, we all get so comfortable. It's like Groundhog's Day. We just get up, we do the same thing every single day. In order to change those neural pathways, we have to start doing things that are different. And instead of doing something that's just like mundane, do something that's really good for you. So what can you do in your day that would change it, switch it up? Even like your dog walk, for example. Instead of going out, do you never notice how you go the same way every day? Like you have a tendency to go out and you'll just go to the right. Instead of going to the right, go to the left. Start just breaking up things, making things different, switching things around. And especially when it comes to your environment, make the environment that you are in, or any environments that you can, the way you want them. If that's your business, awesome. If it's your bedroom, yay, make that a sanctuary. You know, even if you have a little porch off of the bedroom, like whatever, infuse it with plants, infuse it with artwork, make your spaces feed your soul, because that will light you up from inside. And it's all about how you feel. Truly, this life, us walking in it, is how you feel every single day. From inside out. Are you inspired? And what I have found is that spaces are truly, truly inspiring when you make them. So make your spaces awesome. Have an amazing day. I'm going to get to it. I just want to knock this video out since I am here every single day. I could have done a quick short, but I wanted to do a quick video. Thank you for being here. If you have been enjoying my channel, I'm here every day for 365 days. And today is a Sunday, so this can be a quick one. And that's it. Like and subscribe. I'll be back here with more. Like I said, hopefully we're going to get a lot done here today, and I can be popping in here with some good stuff this week. So I will see you in the next video.